Okay, so here I added some more tabs. So for the ones who speak different languages or who want to promote their business in two or more languages, that's what you can do. You can just have a tab in French, for instance, in language number 1, and a tab for blog articles in your language number 2. And this way, you just add it by category. So let me show you on the dashboard how you can do that. You simply go to menus. We covered menus last week. And you see what I did here? That's where I added them. So you just go categories, and then you just add a categories. Let's see, no. Okay. So blog articles in French and article blog en français. So I added these two categories when I wrote my blog post. You can add categories, and we're going to review this now. So when this is all the categories that I created so far for my blog on my website. So then you just click on the ones you want to add, and you see, for instance, I can add another one. Let's say webinars, webinar replay, add to menu, and it's just going to go right here. And this way, when it's added here and you save it, you save the menu, then it's going to show on your menu right here. I'm going to refresh. And there it is. So my menu now is a little bit long, so that's why it goes underneath, okay? So I can just change that, but that's okay for now. That was just to show you that it goes straight away on the menu. So now let's see, today we're going to see how you write your first blog post or your first page, okay? So we're going to start with a blog post, but that's exactly the same as a page. So you just go to, all right. Now I'm going to, actually I'm just going to delete that one. And this is how you delete it, remove, save menu, and we're done. So now you just click on post. You're going to, oh, one thing, hold on. We're first going to click on Tiny MCE Advanced. First of all, we're going to click on Tiny MCE Advanced within your settings. And here, this is going to define what the editing toolbar, the editor menu here. Okay, so what do you want? I already added a lot of things here. I think there was just this first line available at first. I'm not sure, but maybe first line and a half. So whatever you want to add, you just click on it, you drag it, and you add it on your menu. So wherever you want. So it could be up here. You get the idea, okay? Once you're done, then you just click on Save Changes. So that allows you to have different tools to edit your text, your post, your article. So now we're going to, so I click on Save Changes. Now I'm going to add new post. And here I'm going to add one live, okay? So here I'm just going to copy, paste one that I already wrote prior to that. Okay, let's see. Okay, I wrote this one. So here, I'm just going back to the room real quick to see everything's okay. Yeah, I'm recording. Thanks, Marianne. So where are we at here? So many tabs. Okay, there we go. So here, I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, I just paste. So what you do, I'm just going to go really quick over it with you. So you just type, okay? Just type like a regular, editor. And then you have, bold letters, italic, so you just have to underline, and then you can write bold, italic, what else? Here, when you want to add a link, like I added a link, I think, right here. When you want to add a link, what you have to do is you highlight it. You highlight what you want to be clickable, and you just click on the Insert Edit Link symbol, and there you're going to add your link. So let's say it's going to be this link, for instance. Add link. This way, when people are going to see it on your article, they're going to be able to, they can click on it, and it's going to, when they click on it, it's going to redirect them to an external website or to within your website, whatever, but it's going to redirect them. Now what else? What else can I add here? Let's see. all different font families. It's pretty basic. Here, insert edit video if you want to add a video. Okay, so for now, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to show you how to add an image, actually, because here you see I added an image. So we're going to do the same thing. This was a training for Instagram, and this one is a training for Pinterest. So I'm just going to click on Add Media, and that's media I added. And I recommend you do the same thing. You just add your pictures to your blog, to your media library, okay? Because this is going to give you more, more options when people are looking for images. They're going to type, images, Pinterest image, for instance, and they may, find your image on their Google search, and then they may look at your article, okay? So that's another way to be found online, okay, and give you backlinks. So insert to your post. See, it's added here, and then it should add it here as well automatically. So now I'm going to switch. This is on visual. Now I'm going to switch to text because I'm going to add, you see, this is HTML, okay? So I'm going to go at the bottom. I'm just going to add an embed code for my video. So it's right here, raw HTML. Now I can show you how to get that from your YouTube channel or for someone else's YouTube channel. Okay, so here I'm going to go to copy paste. Paste, you see that's HTML. Here I did rel equals 0. I could make a training on that. This is what I use usually. I basically don't use this button right here. This button right here because I cannot change it. So I prefer to add the HTML, the embed frame code, because I can, when I write rel equals 0, it's going to tell YouTube to not display the next videos, okay? Because usually YouTube wants viewers to see the next video and the next video and the next video, right? So here it's just going to not promote other videos because people can be sidetracked, right? Like I'm going to go back to my website here. I don't know if I can go all the way to the end of the video, but basically at the end, it's going to just never mind. So as you can see, je vous dis à bientôt. Blessings to you all. Blessings à vous tous et à la semaine prochaine. So you see at the end of the video, it doesn't show some other videos, related videos. It's just going straight back to the beginning of the video. Okay, so that's the code I use. Now you can get the embed frame code. Sorry, I've been in France for too long now, so okay, let's see. French accent is getting stronger and stronger, which is not bad, right? Okay, so let's see a video. Okay, Creator Studio. Let's watch one video, Video Manager. One video, this one for instance. Okay, so when you see a video, you just right click and you click on copy embed code, and then you just paste it on your website, on your article. Okay, so that's it for now. That's it for this page. Now we're going to simply, I don't want to go over. So here you're just going to write, that's an article in English. So we're going to click English blog articles under categories, and this is where you can add new categories. That's what I was talking to you about earlier. You just add your new category, and then you just click on add new category, okay? And that's it. Then it's just going to add it automatically. And then when you write your blog post, then you just click on the ones you wanted to show under. So here, marketing tips maybe, and then webinar replays. Here, tags, so it's about Pinterest training. So now you can do your Google keyword search, okay, just to find your keywords, your article keywords. social media marketing and Pinterest marketing. All right, and when you're done, you have the option here to hide floating social. What else do you have? What are the other options? You can, so this is the standard blog article, okay? You can choose different types: gallery, status, quote, image. We could review this in another training. And now here, when you're done with your article and you don't want to publish it right away, you don't want viewers to see it right away, you're just going to click on Save Draft. Oh, I didn't post. Okay, Pinterest. Get leads on Pinterest. Okay. So here, another important point is that you want to have your keyword get leads with Pinterest. You want to have your keyword in your title, and you want to have your keyword in your URL. Also in your, so this is basically something to show you how to make your blog, okay, your website, but there's a lot more to do with it. So here for SEO, there's many different things that you need to know, but I'm not going to cover that today. But you need to have your keywords, of course, in here as well. And now when you're done, so you can edit whether you want the public to see it, whether you want your article to be password protected. We'll cover that in another training. This is really important. You can have that for team training, for instance. Just your team can access part of the website. Private. Okay, so here I'm just going to leave it public, visibility public, and then publish when you're ready to publish it. And then we're going to view it. Okay, set featured image. It didn't happen automatically, so I'm just going back to select it. And there we go. Update. View post. Okay, sorry, Alejandre, you're here. I'm just checking. View post. Just going over. And there's your article. There's your article. All right, with the video and etc.